All right, here I was working on a 2024 Kia Sportage 1.6 liter, and it was a hybrid. And if you want the quick information on the oil change, here's everything. Oil type is 0W20. Oil capacity is 5.07 quarts. The drain plug size 17 millimeter. The torque on that is 25.3 to 32.5 foot-pounds. The oil filter cap size is 24 millimeters, and then the torque on that is 25.3 foot-pounds. Now the rest of the video is just me showing where everything's at and maybe some part numbers, how to drain everything else if you want to stick around for that. All right, so to get to the oil cap, you have to remove this cover. You just pull on it, and then there's your oil fill, and then there's your dipstick. So it's very easy. At the bottom here, you got two covers for the oil filter and the drain. The oil filter is 4 clips, and then the oil drain plug is 2 clips and 2 10-millimeter bolts. Then there's your drain plug. Again, it is a 17 millimeter. And then there's your oil filter. Now, you could just take off the whole case. It's a 24 millimeter, or there's a way to drain it. As you can see there's like a pin there that you have to take off. And then you have to turn 90 degrees the other pin and then pull it out. And then it'll start draining from there. Now, if you don't really care about that, like I said, you could just take out the whole thing, pull the initial first pin, and then everything just comes out as one piece from the other side. You could pull the filter. This is what the pin looks like. It has a hole on it, and then it has like a T shape at the bottom. Here are some oil filters that I found online. If you go to like Walmart or something, I think they sell wicks sometimes. They also sell like a purulator, and those are the part numbers there. If you need that. When I pulled the oil filter, there was also different part numbers on there. Here we have Molly OX1121, or I think this is the OEM number 26330-2M000, as you can see that. So if you're gonna do OEM, that's the part number. And they should come with a new O-ring, a new pin, crush washer, and then the new filter with that other pin. It should come installed, but if it's not, if this like pin is not installed, I'll show you. You have to install it like where these tabs are, because the rest of it, I don't think it allows you to install this. And basically just do this and turn it, and then that's it, that's installed. And then you want to put it back into the oil cap and make sure that the hole aligns with the hole on the cap, and then you insert your pin the same way it came out. It can go both ways, but that's the way it was installed at the factory. Now the oil cap, it has written the torque spec, I believe, but I can't really read that. I think it says 35 Newton meters. So I just looked it up, and like I said, I provided at the beginning of the video. And then your dipstick, you want your oil level to be in the middle of those two lines with the hash marks. And then to reset your oil life, you're gonna come here at the radio. You're gonna slide to the side. Then you're gonna click on setup. You're gonna click vehicle. And then you're gonna slide down to convenience, and then you're gonna go to oil change reminder and then reset that. And then there's also service interval if you want to reset that. It wasn't set up on this car, but you can set it up to remind you about any other maintenance. So hopefully this helps you out. If you have any questions, just let me know.